I found a rod. Today I'm in Menominee, Michigan. It's November 16th, 2024. Menominee Marina is all cleaned out. No boats in there. The water's pretty chilly. It's about 44 degrees outside right now. It was about 32 degrees this morning. Still no ice, so we're gonna get in there, clean up. Someone lose a fishing pole?
Yeah. Right there, you're there.
I don't see anything.
And the fish pulled it that way.
Oh, a fish pulled it. Yeah, it could be anywhere. I found a rod. It was right here.
Yeah.
Good. 1, 2, are you smile? Yay! Good job, man.
Thanks. The water's about 42 right now. A little cold on the face, but
All right, thank you.
you're welcome. Whew.
Each one of those guys gave me $20
What?
and the guy just left for Colorado and he was super sad because it's a $200 pull.
Oh, wow.
What'd you find?
Little goby fish here. Christy's gonna go put them back in the water.
His mouth is actually bigger than mine! Ah!
There you go.
Who am I?
I don't know.
That's what you sound like.
We got a hose today, this here, aluminum foil. Apparently they don't let you buy this but behind the shelf, right?
No, if you go to Family Dollar in Green Bay, Wisconsin, you got to buy this stuff behind the counter, but you can get it free if you go in the water over here in Michigan.
That's right.
Yeah.
If it's free, it's me. Found a Coca-Cola bottle here today from Green Bay, Wisconsin. A squirt bottle.
That is super cool. Look
Yeah.
at the shape of that puppy.
Little shape on there. Got a couple of these keys here. They have got these floaty things on here, but apparently these are too heavy for those and they sink. This floaty thing even shrunk. Found a pager here today, and I think this belongs to the shack over here. Screwdriver, very common thing I find here. Klein Tools tape measure. Mega cuff. This is for Christy's hair, so it's not all ratted up and messy. Got some zip ties here. Broken glass, a spool, some styrofoam, cans, plastic, a lot of cloth, some towels.
I can't feel my feet.
Gonna go home and take a hot shower and just relax and take a ride. Maybe stay warm in the truck.
I'll run you a warm bath.
Sweet.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow our channel.